Are you still relying on single yield opportunities on your PoS assets? What if you can do more, get more, from the same set of your PoS assets? How, you ask? Let's say you have $100 of a PoS asset. You deposit this on a staking program. Say you get a 28% yield. That's the end of it. That's all you make. Now imagine this. You deposit $100 of PoS asset on a staking program. You get 28% yield. The staking program gives you a token, a derivative asset, as a receipt for the staked asset deposited. Let's call it X token. For every $100 deposit on a staking program, you get $100 X token apart from the 28% yield. You take this E token to EasyFi lending and supply as collateral. You borrow $75 against this from EasyFi for other uses. So effectively, you've brought down your overall risk to $25. Here's what you can do more. You take these $75 and deposit the same on Compound and EasyFi and earn another yield on it, say 15%. You've effectively raised your APY from 28% to 28% plus 15% equals 43%. Don't limit yourself. Do more with DeFi.